Tinnitus is a condition characterized by a persistent ringing, buzzing, or other noises in the ears. It can be a frustrating and distracting condition that affects millions of people worldwide. In this video, we will explore the benefits of natural remedies for tinnitus relief. Natural remedies for tinnitus relief are gaining popularity due to their effectiveness in managing the symptoms associated with this condition. These remedies focus on improving overall ear health and reducing the severity of tinnitus sounds. Certain herbs and supplements have shown promising results in alleviating tinnitus. Some examples include ginkgo biloba, zinc, magnesium, and melatonin. These natural ingredients help improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation, which can help reduce tinnitus symptoms. Making specific diet and lifestyle changes can also contribute to tinnitus relief. Avoiding caffeine, alcohol, and loud noises, getting regular exercise, practicing stress management techniques, and ensuring a healthy sleep routine can all make a significant difference in managing tinnitus symptoms. Sound therapy and relaxation techniques have been found to provide relief for individuals with tinnitus. White noise machines, soothing music, meditation, and yoga can help mask the tinnitus sounds and promote relaxation, making it easier to cope with the condition. While natural remedies can be beneficial for many individuals with tinnitus, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. They can provide personalized advice and guidance based on your specific situation and ensure that there are no underlying medical conditions that need to be addressed. In conclusion, natural remedies for tinnitus relief offer a holistic and non-invasive approach to managing this troublesome condition. By incorporating herbs, supplements, healthy lifestyle changes, sound therapy, and relaxation techniques, individuals can experience improved quality of life and reduced tinnitus symptoms. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance.